I'm gonna show you how professional YouTubers go from raw footage that look like these to professionally edited videos that look like these. I'm talking about great talking head editing, proper motion graphics, great background music, which has additional AI-generated B-roll shots. If you think this might be too hard for you, just keep watching because I guarantee you this is something that you can do. So you go to ChatCut. It's a browser app. You don't need to download anything. And then you upload your talking head footage first. I'll just play you a little bit of, this video so you get a sense. Hey. So let me talk to you about one of the favorite things that I got for myself in 2026. So, one of my favorite things is actually quite, in the age of just to clean up all the stuff, pick out the right takes. When you do it in the old way, it probably, would take you an hour, but let's see how ChatCut does. So you can give it any prompt you like, but this is a very good prompt to start with. Remove all the rambles and mistakes, filler words, and make it a good YouTube tech review. Let's go. Okay, so the agent is going to work. All right, so it made all these cuts just by itself. Let's hear it. If I tell you that I got a typewriter, you might be very surprised, but that is just indeed what I got for myself. So let me tell you about where this whole idea started. Like everyone else, I use phones and computers. It edited my 6 minutes overall video into 3 minutes and 30 seconds. A really, really nice first edit. A quick orientation here. So this is your media panel. All your uploaded stuff will show here. And this is your timeline. This is the traditional editor inside ChatCut, just like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere, that you can, go in and do your detailed level editing if you choose to. In here, you can just tell the agent to do whatever you want it to do. I want to put on loud captions in TikTok style. All right. Is that it's got this beautiful keyboard that feels great to type on. And then the screen is not too big. Now you got caption done. If your video is just you talking, you can just hit export and publish. But let's say that you shot B-rolls. In addition to talking about the typewriter, I also have footage of myself, what we call B-roll footage, which is like visually supporting materials. I'm going to click upload to add more footage. And in a second, these are all imported in. And guess what you do? Are you gonna add these to the timeline yourself? No, you're not. You're just gonna tell your agent to put these on the timeline in the right place. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So okay, I just uploaded B-roll footage of the typewriter, studied these, and put them in the correct place. So let's review what we've done here. We edited our talking head, and that's your A-roll, as they're called. They're A-roll because they're the most important thing. And now the agent is helping us edit B-rolls on top. When we talk about, different aspects of it, we want to show the visual supporting materials. Okay, let's see. So this thing is quite genius, and then you can type on it just like you would on a computer. The difference between a computer is that it's got this beautiful keyboard that feels great to type on, and then the screen is not too big, it's not a computer, but it just shows you enough, like what you're writing. What more do I need to say? But like the agent is saying, want to add background music to round it out? I mean, I could use some music. So I would say, yes, please. Let's hear it. And then you can type on it just like you would on a computer. The difference between a computer is that it's got this beautiful keyboard that feels great to type on. And then the screen is not too big, it's not a computer, but it just shows you enough, like what you're writing. Music is pretty good, and it's missing a second piece, and the agent is asking, would I like to generate another piece or just kind of repeat it? And now the agent is asking me if I want to generate a second piece. Actually, I'm just going to ask it to like repeat this music for longer so that it ends when the video ends. Great. Now we have the same music repeated. Sync it to your cloud services. You just turn the Wi-Fi to on. Wow. And it will send it through your Dropbox. It's a very nice. Now you could export the video and call it done, but you also want professional looking motion graphics, as all these pro YouTubers have. Create professional motion graphics for the intro and the outro part of this video, and create motion graphics for the key parts of this video as well. Let's see. Everything I tried Scrivener, I tried Obsidian, but I just find, okay, I love that. There's no Chrome, there is no games, it even like mimics the typewriting style so that, you know, it's on brand. Let me tell you how to use it. It comes in a beautiful, nice. And just because it made it for you doesn't mean that you're stuck with it. If you don't like it. So if you just click here, you can change the color and you can change the text, like how to use the typewriter. You can change anything you want. Now let's move on to the next step. I want to show you this feature that's really cool. So sometimes you need B-rolls that you don't have, and you can either grab a footage or you can generate a B-roll for you. That I want to put a B-roll over. I want someone looking like Ernest Hemingway typing on an old typewriter. I think it will add great, you know, visual flair to my video. Around here, generate a video of Hemingway typing on an old typewriter. Beautiful shot, and let's play this part. It's like getting a real typewriter, and I'm gonna do the scroll thing, and I'll be just fixing like ink charges. How much better did that shot make it, you know? So now you have like a professionally edited talking head with proper B-rolls that are edited for you, with professional looking motion graphics. You got caption in any style that you want, and then you got generated B-rolls where you didn't shoot it. Let me show you really quickly how we can make a YouTube thumbnail really fast here. So I'm going into selection mode. I'm gonna just pick out parts of the video that I like, and then I'm gonna ask ChatCut to generate a thumbnail based on the stuff that I like. So I like this part. I like him, and then I want to show like my face. Let's pick out a frame. I think there can be like better frames, but I don't know. And then I just need like a product shot of like I like this. Okay, so use these elements and generate a thumbnail for YouTube for me, and use the GPT image 2 model, which is the latest and the best image generation model right now, which is connected inside ChatCut directly. Okay, this is looking fun. The thumbnail is here. This is incredible. Better than any thumbnail that we currently have on our YouTube channel, so I should probably I'm learning something from this, by the way. So to export this video, you literally just click the button that says export. You go to, you export a video, you choose your frame rate, choose your codec, and if it's just audio, or if you just want motion graphics with transparency. Video editing in 2026 is so different from, a year ago or 2 years ago. There is so much help that you could get from AI to speed up your workflow. There's lots of fun to be had. Go try it out. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.